Google Pixel 8 Fully Explained Review. The Google Pixel 8 is the latest addition to the re-honored Pixel smartphone lineup, setting new standard in mobile technology. With a focus on performance, photography, and software, the Pixel 8 offers an exceptional user experience. Stunning display. The Pixel 8 features a vibrant, specific side OLED display with specific resolution, ensuring crisp and impressive visual for all your content. Flagship performance. Powered by the cutting edge, this phone offers lightning fast performance for multitasking games and more. Industry leading camera. The Pixel 8 continues the tradition of exceptional camera capabilities. Its specific rear camera setup with specific megapixels, primary camera and specific features deliver outstanding photos and videos in various lighting conditions. Extended battery life. Uh, with a long lasting, the Pixel 8 keeps on connected all day without worry. Latest Android experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the Pixel 8 ensures a clean up and to-date software experience along with regular security updates. 5G connectivity. Stay connected with fast 5G of seamless streaming and browsing. Silk design. The Pixel 8 boasts a silk and modern design with specific material. Make it both stylish and comfortable to hold. Ample storage. Choose for various storage options to meet your needs, ensuring you have enough space for apps, photos, and more. Enhanced security. The device features advanced security options, including specific security features to protect your data and privacy. Google services. Access to wide range of Google services, included Google Assistant, for a seamless and integrated experience. The Google Pixel 8 is a premium smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a focus on photography and user-friendly software. Whether you are a photographer, a power user, or someone who value a clean Android experience, the Pixel 8 is designed to meet your needs. Thanks for watching.